Hello, I'm Timothy Barsev, Director of Research and Consulting at Markswebb. We provide UX benchmarking, audits, and product advisory backed by real user flows and global best practices. We often hear the user doesn't understand, or the user can't do this, or the user doesn't want that. The thing is, such broad statements offer no way forward. In UX, clarity is everything. Like in medicine, we need precise diagnostics before proposing solutions. That's why we created our UX problem classification, a practical tool that helps digital teams worldwide spot any UX issue and describe it precisely. Today we examine class 11. The language and interface elements are difficult to understand. We break down this broad class into 4 distinct situations, and each merits its own video. Subclass 11.3 focuses on ambiguous words or phrases that allow multiple interpretations. Unlike class 11.2, we attribute 11.3 to cases where even short copy leaves the meaning vague. Our recent Markswebb research across over 100 services shows this type of problems appear most often in 2 situations. First, when labels are too broad and lack explanation. For instance, filter option featured. Try guessing what featured might mean. It's hard. Large user groups interpret such labels differently, which is not good because each interface element should convey one single meaning. Second, when professional terminology conflicts with how users speak. Users will never study narrow professional terms. They would prefer services that speak their language. We also revealed that ambiguous terminology is notoriously common in financial services. Ambiguous wording might lead to wrong decisions or task failure. This is especially risky when money is involved. Let's review a real case. A user has an account in Armenian Amiria Bank and wants to check the balance to be sure they can afford some purchase. On the account screen, they see current balance and available balance. There are no descriptive tooltips or explanations, so the distinction is unclear. From the financial logic, the current balance includes reserved amount from pending transactions. The available balance shows the spendable amount, which is exactly what the user needs. Technically, everything is correct, but for some regular client, this looks ambiguous. I worked in financial services for 7 years, and I can confirm this problem persists. Why is that? Compliance often dominates UX. Like some people say, regulators stay happy while millions of users struggle. In this case, users might rely on the higher current balance, make a spending decision, and run into a failed payment. Let's look at how Wise money transfer system handles the same screen. Wise shows a single clear balance amount. It reflects only the money the user can spend. There is no confusion between current and available. This eliminates the cognitive burden of interpreting multiple values. Users instantly see the funds they can use. Now let's discuss how to avoid ambiguity. First, choose specific, real-world terms that match user mental models. Second, avoid vague and broad labels and unnecessary abbreviations. Third, test wording with real users or UXers with expertise in the field and ensure a single interpretation. In this video, we addressed the problem of language ambiguity. If any points seemed ambiguous to you, please leave a comment and we will definitely fix it. Thank you for watching Markswebb channel, and let's keep working to build better user experiences together.